cop your 26 King Wavy merch, link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's going to take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about something that you did not know about your 360 waves. And I bet you didn't know this. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
I bet you didn't know this about your 360 waves. When you moisturize your hair, when you put products in your hair, the product stays in your hair for, I'll say, about 3 to 4 days. All right, that's the average, about 3 days. That's the average time the product stays in your hair for. Now, within those 3 days, 3 or 4 days, you can do with that product whatever you please. You can spread it out. You can reuse that product without it running out. Now, what a lot of people tend to do is they add products every single day, which is not bad as long as you wash your hair twice a week. You can apply products all you want. Let me give you guys an example. When you eat your food, right? You eat your food, 3 hours later, the food goes from your stomach and it goes to the next step of the digestion process. Okay? So while the food is being digested, your body's taking the nutrients that it needs and giving it to parts of the body that needs the most. And that's where you get your energy from. Your hair works the same way. You add products to your hair, and it's gonna be stored there. Now, every time you brush your hair, the brush is picking up the product and it's helping your blood flow. And as your blood is flowing, the product is going from the root of your hair to the strings of your hair to the ends of your hair. So when you apply a product, as long as you brush your hair and have blood flow, that product will come up when it's needed. It just stays there and waits on its time to be used. Now, when people overuse products, now you're just having too much stored. And when you have too much stored, all of that just is no good for your hair. Just like after we finish digesting the food, it comes out, we do what we gotta do. Same thing, same way with your hair. The rest of the product that the hair does not need for food, it just drops down to your forehead when you sweat, whatever you do, and it goes inside your pores, wherever it wants to go. Days after days after days, those products mix in with your dirt, and it's really not healthy for your scalp or your skin at that. And that is when washing your hair comes in. You should wash your hair twice a week. I'd say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or every 3 days, every 4 days, you should wash your hair. So next time you want to moisturize your hair 3 days in a row, think about the day before when you moisturize your hair. Think about the leftover conditioner that you already have in your hair. And all you have to do is take a brush it, and you get the blood flowing, and that stored product is going to come up and it's going to moisturize your hair as needed. So next time you want to moisturize your hair, you might want to let brushing take its place. As soon as you start brushing, the moisturizer from yesterday will start to spread out and come out of its hiding place. This happens when you comb your hair. This happens when you sweat. As long as the pores are open, the blood is flowing, the products that you already had in your hair will come out and do their job. So with that being said, you might be asking, when should I moisturize my hair then? You should moisturize your hair, I say, every 3 days. If you moisturize today, no need to moisturize tomorrow or the next day, because that moisturizer is going to last you at least 2 days. But you can definitely apply oil to your hair every day just to keep your hair, looking shiny and not ashy. Basically, when you come out the shower, you put lotion on. That's to keep your skin moist and not ashy. You can do the same with your scalp, add some oil. But when it comes to moisturizers and pomades, there's really no need to, apply that every single day. But oil, definitely. Like I said in the beginning, if you do apply products every single day, make sure you wash your hair twice a week for healthier scalp. If you watched this video all the way through, I want to say thank you. And I think this video right here will help you out a lot. So you might as well click it. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'll see you on my next one. Peace.